Hi everyone, it's Kim here with Buy It Smart Automotive. I'm really excited today to review the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT for you all. An Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium. Let's go. Show you is the real convenience of the Dodge Grand Caravan. You've got the power sliding doors, so you double click, power sliding door on one side, double click, power sliding door on the other side, and so the kids can run and jump. Real convenient for you mom and dads out there and parents. And then you double click the rear back. Real convenient for grocery shopping. Your hands are full, you're putting away some vehicles, and then it's very simple. I double click to close, I double click to close, I double click to close. So the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan is on aluminum alloy rims, 17-inch wheels. This is a front wheel drive 6-cylinder vehicle. The Caravan's always been known for its safety rating. In the back features the backup cam. Nice features also include your wraparound color keyed bumpers. This is a beautiful color, one of my favorite. Tinted windows, protection from the sun. Adjustable mirrors, they're a nice feature in tight parking spaces for sure. And sweaty monster.
Alright, it's recording.
Here we go. No sweaty monsters here. Don't get that in. You gotta cut that.
I will.
Okay, one of the cool features with the Dodge Grand Caravan a lot of people love is the stow and go. Very famous, stow and go. So what that is, it's basically you roll up, very simple in the vehicle, and the seat rolls right into the floor. The really cool thing about this is when you don't have passengers and you're lugging different materials, maybe lumber, plywood, you're doing some home improvements, all of your seats here will roll in and roll completely flat, which I'll show you later. Let's go for a drive. I'll get my booty in there. You're going to notice about the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus is the leather. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Beautiful features, your power windows and door locks. It's quite a luxury vehicle, and it's still safe for the family. You've got your cruise control, air conditioning, full navigation, Bluetooth. Again, you've got your backup camera when you're obviously going backwards. I like this feature right here. You've got your mirror so you can see everybody in the back and give them help, and to help out with any kind of keeping the kiddos nice and quiet, you've got the DVD player. You'll also know that this vehicle has 3 different climate controls: passenger, driver, and then rear climate, which is nice when maybe you're back passenger, maybe your kids are a little cold and they want to have it a little bit warmer down back. Cup holders, lots of space for storage, cell phones, low bucket here. I like the little mesh thing too, because it allows you to put something in there, creates a little basket. It's not going to go flying all over the place. Let's go here for a drive. Here we go. Probably want me to turn on some music. Keep it quiet. So I don't start singing around. The other thing you'll notice about the Grand Caravan is it drives super comfortable. You're not going to really find a whole lot of vehicles in van, SUV category that have the comfort of the Grand Caravan and the size and the seating capacity and the luxury without that truck feel. This is a really nice, comfortable drive. You also have some good get up and go with the 6-cylinder 3.6-liter engine. If you need to get out on the highway and pass, or you're just like me and you have a heavy foot. This is good. I think my camera guy's a little bit afraid.
little nervous, but
Just to point out, in the 2018 Grand Caravan is the eco button here. That's for better fuel economy. You've got the ergonomics of the front of the vehicle here. It's really easy to reach, so you're not distracted, as you're driving. You've got your gear shift here, leather wrapped steering wheel. You control the cruise control, radio, your blinkers over on this side, on your left hand side. I've got voice activation control, Bluetooth. I can set, obviously, and resume my cruise from here. I've got a tilt steering wheel, comes down and up. Should probably be doing that. I'm driving. I'm a skilled driver. And I also really like the headrests. If not for any other reason than your ability at a stop sign to be able to lean, turn, and yell when the kids are getting loud and noisy. Other than that, I have to say that the Dodge Grand Caravan for me is one of my favorites. And certainly as far as the van lineup goes, these have been a #1 seller for years and years and years. And it's pretty easy to understand why. I hope you enjoyed the test drive. Thanks for watching the video. Please let us know what other vehicles you'd like me to review in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on social. All the links are below.